Get sexy for the camera, right? Yeah. Hey guys, Rich with Rich Rebuilds here, and my buddy Gus just got a Model X that he wanted me to take a look at, so I'm going to review it and tell you my thoughts as to why this just might be the best Model X deal going right now. Now, we're going to get into the details of this one. We're going to overview this car top to bottom, where to get parts to fix it, and how much they cost. And throughout this episode, there will be a heads-up display that will show the price of parts and where to get them as I talk about them. At the end, we're going to tally up the major parts involved in getting this thing back on the road and see what this car is all about. Now, Gus is going to lower this X down so I can take a better look at it, and the first thing that I'm seeing is that it's super clean. There's no dings, dents, or scratches on this car anywhere. Yeah, that's all I need. This is pretty damn nice looking, man. The black is nice. I know you don't like black.
It looked awesome with black wheels.
With the 22s, it looked really nice, I know. The next thing I'm going to look at is the car's Falcon Wing doors. Now, the Falcon Wing doors tend to be quite finicky. Sometimes when X's are in collisions, the alignment of the doors can get way off. This hit wasn't hard at all and did not affect the alignment of the doors in the least bit. If you're wondering why the doors don't look 100% spot on, that's because that's Tesla's build quality right off the factory floor. But honestly, this looks pretty damn good. Let's get to the guts here. The front end took a good smack, as you can see. Gus is going to hook up a jumper pack to the front terminals to see if he could energize the car.
I gotta grab the key. Oh, it's the battery out of it. The door's programmed. You gotta disconnect power to it. You gotta
recalibrate it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna go on the other side. All right. Yeah. Hold on. All right. This interior is nice, man.
This thing, it's super nice. It's
it smells great in here too.
It's brand new.
Jesus Christ.
This thing's so cool. I don't remember what it does. Yeah, I think it opens the doors and does some funky stuff.
Now are they open?
Yeah, no.
Hold on a second. Let me just, before you do it. Nice. This thing is clean, man. This thing's almost brand new. How many miles are on it?
15,000-ish. I'd have to look, I forget.
The doors open perfectly. Jeez. The back opens. This thing's clean, man.
This is brand new.
Literally brand new.
We haven't vacuumed it. We haven't done anything to it yet. You must know it does this. When you walk up to it, the doors pop open.
Yeah, the proximity, yeah. Which is fine, because it might hit that anyways. You don't want to do that.
But yeah, I thought that was pretty neat.
Did that glass break?
Yeah, that glass, someone broke it at the insurance company, but they wanted to get in the thing.
Gotcha, okay. So it needs a new glass here.
Yep.
All right. I heard the rattle, I was like, oh
yep,
shit.
Yep.
This thing's freaking nice, man. This thing's almost perfect. I could drive around the beach like this. Imagine driving around the beach like this? The door's up. And then let's see, make sure this works. Awesome. All right, so it needs the airbag. It needs a knee bag. Both knee bags or just one? I mean, both?
Yep. Well, we lucked out, doesn't need a dash.
Oh gosh, you're lucky. Yeah, you're super lucky on that one. Okay, it needs a knee bag. Needs a knee bag on this side. This carbon fiber is flawless. It looks really good. This looks really nice. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes of the damage here. Under the hood isn't looking so great, but the good news is that both front frame rails are straight and true, so no need to go to a body shop for that. So both these frame rails are nice and straight, which is a piece of cake.
They're absolutely perfect. They're untouched.
Awesome. So it will need That
This
plastic
thing
piece, yep.
There's one on eBay now.
They'll need that. There's one eBay now. And then...
Like these pieces, perfect. You know, this
Right.
is the headlight broken. These are parts of the headlight.
The headlight tabs that came off here. So it will need this, just this front part. This is amazing that this was saved. It makes that makes it 10 times easier.
The suspension compression pump compressor.
Is that good too?
Untouched. Yep.
Yep.
This is the way it's supposed to be.
So that's good. Anything on the inside here? No?
No.
It needs a plastic trim. And the fenders are good.
Right. The fenders, I believe, are 100%.
Let me see.
I hate to say that because there's always something. But
Right.
like, that's got a little scuff. No,
No, it's not even. It's clean right off.
But they're perfect. They're untouched.
And then it will need
Condenser and radiator.
condenser and radiator.
And fan.
And fan. A hood? You could definitely fix this in your garage, man. You buy this. I mean, it's all bolt together. All right, so it needs some wiring harness repair. It just pulled out of here.
Yeah, that's
Okay, so this is just the front harness. I think you could get this part individually.
Yeah, and that all goes there.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you
So everything after those connectors, it will need. Maybe I get a part number off of that.
Yep.
There you go. So this is a part number you would need. Oh, let's go inside and see what error message is showing up, if any.
Yeah, that way you can get it home and just drive it.
And you have the battery tray and everything?
Yep. That's
Okay.
all there. It's right there.
There it is. Yeah, man. I'm excited to do this one.
Oh, great car.
All right, close her up. Look at that.
Well,
Because it was just working like a second ago. Come on, you want me to sell this thing or what, Guz? Huh? Oh, what'd you do? That's it. Vehicle coolant's low. Air suspension needs service. Navigation system. That's all right. Car needs service. Park assist disabled. That's because there's probably a front sensor up front. Tire pressure low. Okay.
Not on the car.
Well, they're not on the car. That makes sense. Vehicle coolant's low. Okay, we know that. Air suspension needs service. It's disconnected. Steering assist reduced. That's because the steering rack isn't in. Park assist disabled. That's easy. Tire pressure very low. Yeah, they're not on the car. Vehicle coolant's low. Yep, we know that. This is easy, man. I thought you had to scroll, but that's it.
No scrolling.
And it's getting data. It's getting LTE, which is very important. Yeah, man, I think this is a piece of cake. That's fine, that's fine. So it'll need a new frunk, too. Okay.
Yeah, the front itself is good.
And the air filter. It may not need.
Yeah.
Dude, look how big this damn air filter is. This is the biggest.
That is crazy.
This is insane. This is insane, guys. My house filter is smaller than that.
Yeah, no shit.
Nice clean. There's no fork marks on it, which is good. This is nice back here, man. This is real nice. Yeah, man, that doesn't look bad at all. Pumps there. Just the rack, which you're already gonna do. This is clean, dude. You got me tempted now.
You need it. Have a couple more kids and you fill this thing right up.
Yeah, I need more projects. That's what I really need.
That too.
Yeah, part number's there, so that's good. I think you'd be in this thing for cheap. Really cheap. Yeah, man. All right. Everything on this Model X is fixable and replaceable in your own garage, at your own pace, on your own time. This is one of the few cars you can actually get like this. As a matter of fact, there's a black hood and front bumper on eBay right now, so you'd never have to set foot in a body shop. The underside looks good, and Guz is actually in the process of installing a new steering rack right now. Now, how come I'm not buying this? Well, I still have my P85D project that I'm working on. Why doesn't Guz fix it himself? Well, he needs the 7-seater version, and he doesn't like the color black. So it doesn't make sense for either one of us. Let's get into the pricing, shall we? Guz wants $48,000 or your best offer for the Model X. A driver's windows glass is $300. A Tesla driver airbag and knee bag is $499. The knee bag on the passenger side is $200. The front bumper bracket is $300. Fender flares are $300. The condenser is $200. A fan is $179. A black Model X hood is $350. A front bumper is $329. A cross member is $539. Headlights are $250 each. That brings this to a grand total of $3,700. That brings the total price to about $51,700 out the door with all parts needed. If you're resourceful, you can get that price down even more by negotiating part prices or dealing with Guz on the main price. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, I'm not paying $52,000 for a Model X with all of those parts included. All right, let's see how much a Model X 75D sells for. I see these local prices, $75,000, $79,000, $78,000, and $82,000. Those are the most recent selling prices for a Model X 75D. Feel free to look for yourself, but you aren't going to find a Model X 75D for much under $75,000. Going on cars.com and doing a little search for Model X's under 80 grand, you get 14 cars, and none of them are under 75. Let's just say you have no idea what you're doing and you have someone else do it for you. If you pay someone $6 grand to put it all together for you, you're still in under $60,000 all in. But Rich, it'll have a salvage title. Okay, well, you know how much the most recent salvage Model X sold for? $74,000. Take it how you want to take it. I'll give this Model X 2 thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.